Hey, Evelyn. Evelyn, what are you doing? Oh, you're gonna get ice cream. Are you gonna give me one too? What? You gonna sit down here? Is this where you're gonna sit and eat ice cream? Can you tell me about those flowers over there? Look, there's some flower over there. Can you tell me what that is? What are you doing? Don't hide. Later you're gonna go look at it and you're gonna say, how come I'm hiding? Okay. Come on. Oh look, they got ice cream over there already. Let's go.